I have failed a student's part before that was 1/10,000th of an inch out of tolerance. If that part was on an airplane that you're flying in or a car that you're driving, you want the parts to be correct.
It's intolerance.
How you doing? Good. Oh, I mean, you know what they say, right? 5th time's the charm. It is. Yeah, you got it.
I've never seen anybody fail that didn't work hard and apply themselves. No one understands what it really is. We have two ways of doing things. It's either right or it's wrong. There's not any, well, it's good enough, because that doesn't exist. It's either right or wrong.
Meddling is all about precision and being on point, all the way down to .000.